Well, hey, it's Donna Partow, and I just want to say, hey, go you for taking a closer look at how you can discover my secrets for writing your book in just a matter of days. And if you're anything like me, you might be a little bit skeptical and think, well, that can't possibly be the case. That sounds too good to be true. You may know me, maybe you don't, but I've written more than 30 Christian books over the last 28 years, and many of them have been bestsellers. In fact, one of them was about this close to becoming a New York Times best-selling book. Not just I've had many on the Christian bestseller list. But what I'm sure you don't know is that I write my books in a hurry. I'm talking days. Becoming a vessel God can use, 5 days. The special blessings prayer, 10 days. Becoming the woman God wants me to be, maybe 14 days. I write in a hurry. And when you grab a hold, click that button below here and grab a hold of that little cheat sheet I've put together for you, you will discover the exact 10-step process that I follow to write books in just a matter of days. And you can do the same. Now, why is that important? Of course, you've got a book in your head, you've got it in your heart, and get it out to the world. But honestly, that's just the beginning. The amazing thing is all the other doors that it opens. Because all of a sudden, you're the person who's getting the emails and the Facebook messages about how you're changing people's lives. All of a sudden, you're the person who's being invited to speak at conferences and retreats. All of a sudden, you're the one who's being invited to offer advice and insight on radio and TV shows and on blog tours and podcasts. It just opens up a whole new world of opportunities. I can tell you, writing my first book and just totally changed my life. It opened the door for me to travel in ministry now to, I think, about 40 countries on 6 continents. And I know that getting that message that's locked up in your heart and mind out into the world is just going to be the beginning of an amazing adventure for you. And I want to show you exactly how I do it. So click the button and get your copy of my 10 steps to write your book in just a matter of days.